I let an AI train itself on my gaming GPU. Not a supercomputer. Not a cloud server. A $300 graphics card sitting on my desk. And by morning, it had run dozens of experiments and found a better model than the one it started with. This is Karpathy's AutoResearch, and this is how I got it running locally for free. First step is preparing the data. We download tiny stories, thousands of short children's stories generated by GPT-4. Then we train a tokenizer to turn words into numbers the model can understand. This whole process takes about 2 minutes. After that, we're ready to train. This is the baseline run. The model starts with completely random weights, it knows nothing. Over the next 5 minutes, it reads thousands of stories and adjusts 18.5 million parameters to get better at predicting the next word. When it finishes, we get our score. Val BPB, lower is better. This number is what every future experiment needs to beat. Now the loop begins. We change one thing in the training script, run for 5 minutes, and check if the score improved. If it did, we keep the change and that becomes the new baseline. If it got worse, we revert and try something else. This is exactly what the AI agent does automatically overnight. We're just doing it by hand so you can see every step. We beat it. By reducing the warm-down ratio, the amount of time the learning rate spends cooling down, at the end the model stays at full learning speed for longer. In a 5-minute budget, every second counts. The score dropped from 0.737 to 0.711. That's a real measurable improvement. And it transferred consistently across multiple runs. This is the model generating text. It was trained from scratch in 5 minutes on a gaming GPU. It has never seen the internet. It only reads children's stories. And yet it can already write grammatically correct English, create characters, give them emotions, and structure a narrative. It's not perfect, but it learned all of this on its own, from nothing, in 5 minutes. What Karpathy built here is something genuinely new. The human writes the research direction. The AI runs the experiments. And the GPU does the work while you sleep. A year ago this required a university supercomputer. Today it runs on a $300 gaming card in your bedroom. I'm just getting started with this. The next step is training on my own dataset. I'll see you in the next one.